Well, I did say I was going to get a potato, but I've just remembered my wife made a stew for dinner tonight. So we got quite a few odds and ends here. Pepper, carrot, swede, I think. There may even be some bits of potato. Yeah, that's a bit of potato. So we could play around with some of that. Shove that over there. So if we use carbon, and we'll use the rocking, well, it would be a flower except it's got a little bee on it. See if I can find a bit of potato to start with. Yeah, that's potato. May not be a big enough piece. So what have we got? Can we see the meter? No, we can't see the meter. I've moved the camera again. Well, I've moved everything. Keep them apart. Okay, we got not a lot because that just fell out. Right, that's a bit better. Put the light back on. Okay, 4.4, 4.5, 4.8, 4.9, 0.5. I was saying 4 point, wasn't I? We got about half a volt again. And still not enough to get a twitch out of there. Courgette. Oh, trouble with that, you knock it and it rocks anyway. Light on. About the same, just over half a volt, 0.5, not 5 point something, 0.5. Because the obvious thing would be to try a couple in series to increase the voltage. Right, so we're now going from here through that one that's not very good. That one and then that one. Yeah, that wasn't much of an improvement. I might need another zinc now, I think, because that zinc doesn't seem to be doing much. 2.6, 5.8, yeah, I'll go and get another zinc now. Right, getting a bit carried away here. What we actually have now is either swede or turnip, there, there, and there. A bit of courgette there, and a bit of onion there. Some are zinc to carbon and some are zinc to copper. If I actually measure across the end terminals, let's bring that somewhere where you might be able to see it. Like on, over there. We've got over 2 volts. What we haven't got is any current or capacity. Because if we connect her up, ignore the fact that she's rocking there, that's because I just knocked her. Right, so now the circuit is drawing current. Oh, she's just twitching a tiny bit. If I actually measure across there, now that that's in circuit, can we see that all the way over there? Because the light's on it now. She is twitching, but the voltage has dropped down to about 0.5 volt. So although we've got about 2 volts in total, with them all in series like that, we haven't got enough current. I say that just as she's twitching a tiny bit. I'll just try the rocking little bee instead. I have no idea which one needs the most to run it. Just wait for it to stop rocking. Right, I'll leave that for a few seconds just to see. What should happen if it is going to work is the leaves rock first before the bee in the middle rocks. Again, I don't think the camera will pick it up, but they are moving the absolute tiniest bit. Let's zoom in. It's almost like it's breathing. You have to sort of look at the edge of the leaf and compare it to something in the background to see whether it moves. And if you're watching this on a mobile phone instead of a big computer screen, you probably won't see anything at all anyway. So, what we're saying is, we have got a battery here made from the bits left over from my wife making the stew, but we're not producing, I would say, enough current to get it going. We've got the voltage, in fact we've got about 2 volts there with no load, but as soon as we put a load on it, we haven't got enough current or power to drive it. So what I'll do now is put some of them in series, sorry, they're in series now, put some of them in parallel and see if we can get more current. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.